What's good, y'all? How's everybody doing today? Gonna be doing some woodshop working, sanding down these planks. Make sure you grab your DeWalt sand belt, or you could sand them by hand, but that'll probably take you forever. It's the modern era, man. Nobody uses their hands anymore. Plug her in. And make sure y'all wear your safety protection. You don't want nothing getting in your eyes. Hey, go pens, baby. Oh yeah, this is a DeWalt sand belt. Gonna get the job done. Yeah, those screws, that's gonna help keep that plank in place so it doesn't just fly off the board. Yeah, there you go. You don't have to press down that hard either. Let the belt do the work. Guide it up and down the plank there. Nice. And see that? Screws are keeping it in place. And I can sand over those edges and not have to worry about any issues coming up. Wow. That's pretty. You can't tell me that's not pretty. It's a little bit of work, a little bit of effort. You turn something ugly into something beautiful. Like, look at the before and after. Look at that. It's disgusting. Damn. Easy peasy. Look at that. Nice.